FIG stock analysis and price predictions for next week. This is super interesting. Is it a buy or not? Which is very brief and short 1 minute video till the end, find out. Here's the biggest thing ever with Figma is that I just recently got a sell side prediction that was correct. I actually got 2 sells, which one of them was correct and the one was another one was a break even. You know, it's not always wins how other people are telling you, but generally speaking, I like this a lot because it like literally gave me exactly what I wanted. Pre-market by the time I'm making this video was $88. 13th of August, and then took 2 days to deliver, which is phenomenal. Now, if you ask me, but Mr. Sicko, when would you be buying in this instance? Well, for me to buy, I must see a full candle close above $91, and we're nowhere near that. So I'm just keeping an eye, and maybe at a certain point, even doubling down on the sell side as long as there is a confirmation. And you know what? So that's how Figma is looking like. So let me know what is your opinion, and if you want to stay tuned and get free money making emails and insights, I'll show you how in the first link in the description, my free newsletter. Goodbye.